box. So now I'm going to start from the tip of the shoulder. I don't want this to guide me, so I don't want to start from the beginning again. So this can just be so fast and very easy. So after taking it this way, you come here also. It's very easy. Go down. So that's just all I need this for now. So now I'm not going to take my basic measurement. My shoulder measurement is 15, so that's going to be 7.5. 7.5. Then I'm going to go down by 9 inches. After that, I'm going to draw a straight line going down to my. Then I'm going to also draw this line here just to form my angle. Then after that, I'm just going to come down by 1 inch. You know, from the other one, from the back, I came down by half inches. So this one, I'm just going to come down by 1 inches. Then the neck part also, I used 3.5 there, so I'm just going to use 3.5 here also. Sorry. Then I'm going to also come down here by 3. I'm going to draw my neckline. After drawing my neckline, I'm going to come down here by 0.2 inches. 0.2. Not just to have, I don't want to sharp edges while joining my clothes. So it helps a lot. And after that, now I'm just going to come down here just to remove my armhole that by 18. I'm going to divide whatever I have, I'm going to divide it into 2. That's 4. Then I'm going to come inside here by half inches. The next thing I'm going to do now is just to take my ruler, draw a slant line to this point first, then I'll just cut out my armhole. So after this that I've done now, I'm now going to go down because I'm going to be using my bust point here because I need to remove my bust that. So I'm just going to take it 10 inches down. My bust point is 10 inches. So I'm just going to draw a straight line this way. After that, I'm going to take my nipple to nipple point. My nipple to nipple is 7 into 2, that's 3.5. So I'm going to also take that too. Then I'll take a straight line down. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting tutorials. And also comment if you have any questions. I'll gladly answer you. Then now for my bust dart, I'm just going to go down by 1 inches. 1 inches. And then I'm going to take my bust dart this way. Please watch carefully the way I did. This is it. I'll just take a slant down to my nipple points. So you can see, so this is it. These are basic bodies. So what I'm going to do next is to take my half length. My half length is 34. So my half length is 34. That's 8.5. So it depends, because this one, you know, is just a straight, how do I say it? It's just a go clothes, like just wear it and rock it. It doesn't need any bust contouring. But if you want, you can also always remove your dart here also. If you want, you can also remove that also here. So, but for me, my bust that is okay. But if you want, you can also remove a bust dart here to make it look more firmer and fine. Or let's just take it out, just to make you guys understand more better. So now I'm just going to take half here, half inches here, and half inches down here. And I'm now going to take it straight. I'm going to come down by half inches. I'm not going to take it this way, straight down. I'm also going to take this place straight down. So after doing this is a very basic borders anyway. Now the next thing now is we want to draft out our shawl collar. So for this wrap gown, now you know for this wrap gown, we have to come out. Because you know there's a way a wrap gown normally look like. It has this kind of slant part like this. So now we're going to come out. I'm only going to come out by 4 and okay, let's just say 5 inches. But you can come out by 4 also. It depends if you are not too big. Hope you understand. So I'm coming out by 4 inches, 5 inches, sorry. I'm going to draw a slanted I'm going to draw a slant line. Can you see what I did? From my shoulder part, let me take this nearer to you. From this my shoulder part now down to my half length. I'm going to I did my ruler this way, then I'm going to take this straight line, a slant line, sorry, down. Can you see how it's looking? So I'm going to take this down. Can you see how it's looking? So after taking this slant line, what we're going to do next is just measure how we want our collar to be. It depends. You can use 3 inches or you can use 4 inches. So for me, I'm going to start from here. I'm going to be measuring 3 inches. And when you are doing this, I don't like I want to do a slanted part of the shawl collar. I don't want it to be the same length downwards. So I'm just going to take 3 inches here too. Then from here, I'll take 2.5. Here also, I'm going to take 2.5. Then from here, I'm going to take 2 inches. From here, I'm going to be taking 1 inch, 1.5 inches from here. Then 1.5 down to the end part, 1.5. So now I'm just going to take my ruler and just Join all the dots together. I'm going to join it together this way. Then one thing you have to know is that for you to get the other collar parts, you have to measure your neckline. So that's when the back part comes in. You have to measure what to have on your neckline here. So I'm going to measure what I have here. What I have here is 3.7. 3.7, right? So that's what you're going to use to draft your continuous collar. 3.7. This is it. You're just going to indicate it there. Here also, you put 3.7. Just indicate it, then you use your ruler. Just this way. It's going to be on a slanted mode though. Let's first start with this. You join it to the neck part. This also, do it. You can see how it's looking. Then just join it at the top this way. Hope you understand what I did. The reason for this now is because this is going to be cutting to this back part. So that's the reason why I had to measure this neckline here, and then I had it. If it was to be 5, I'm going to have 5. If it was to be 6, I'm going to have 6 as a continuous thing there. So hope you understand what I'm doing. So this is our fully drafted shawl collar for a wrap gown, or maybe a jacket, a wrap jacket. It depends. It depends. So now what I'm just going to do now is just to cut it out. Just pay attention to my cutting. So just to cut everything out. Just to show you careful while cutting. So like this. Then for here now, I'm going to close my bust dart. You have to close your bust dart and also your half length dart if you want to, by the time you want to cut on your fabric. So you have to close it. I'm not having my paper gun here, but by the time I want to cut on fabric, I'm going to show you everything. So now for this part also, I actually came down because you remember that I used my normal length on this back cover, on this back, back pattern. I used 16. But now I used 15. I already cut it. I'm really sorry. I don't know what happened to part of that video. So it was 16. So I had to go back. I removed the 1 inches I removed from this bust dart. The 1 inches I minus here. I minus it from here too, because the difference between my back and my front is 1 inches. My back length is 15, while my front length is 16. So I minus 1. If yours is 2, that means you have to remove 2. If yours is 3, that means you have to remove 3. So this is all about the shawl wrap down, the shawl collar wrap down. So you can see how it's looking. So by the time we sew and join everything, this is the way it's going to be looking. You can see this is the way it's going to be looking. So just feel free to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. So I'm going to drop the sewing part. So just stay tuned, watch, and you will not regret to watch this. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Bye.